So what you can also do is utilize Spherize and Transform effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and here you can see that Spherize is an option. Let me just go around and click and drag it onto this particular clip right here. Then what I can do is I can change around the radius and you get the spear effect, as you can see right here. What you can also do is change around the center of the spear and change around the starting point as you like. So you can go around and delete out this effect. Apart from that, you also have the transform effect, and if I were to go around and click and drag it out, you can go around and change it out to uniform scale and change around the anchor point, the position right here, and change around the scale over here, just like this as well. So you can go around and change this out. As you can see, let me just go around and keep it, let's say for example, a bit around over here. So let me just press Ctrl Z because I have a lot of it right here, just like this. So 100 is the normal size. So let's just for example say 150, and it is bigger, as you can see, and 50 is smaller right here. You can type it in as well. You can go around and change around the skew value, as you can see right here. You can change around the skew angle, as you can see right here, and change around the rotation over here as well, and change around the opacity as well. Also, you can go around and you change around the shutter angle right here. So, but this is much more right here. So if I were to go around and press the play button, then you can see that that is what you have. So that is how you can utilize the Spherize and Transform effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.